Hi, everyone, and thank you for joining me for another edition of Tech Tuesday. Since this series' launch, I've been asking you what you are interested in hearing about, and I've received a lot of really great feedback. My plan is to take one or two segments per month and cover suggested topics. This week, I'll respond to the most requested topic, which skill sets are the hottest in the application and development job market right now? Okay, great question. And the answers are honestly going to vary wildly according to the industry. However, here are the top requested skill sets I am seeing right now. Number one, AWS. If you are unfamiliar with Amazon Web Services, it is time to brush up because nearly everyone wants a candidate with exposure to AWS cloud tech. Number two, React. This front-end JavaScript framework is maintained by Facebook and a community of individual developers and companies. It is super easy to learn, so companies can confidently use this platform, knowing that they will not have to find a developer with a needle in a haystack of skill sets to make future adjustments or maintain their product. Okay, so number three, .NET Framework. Why? One word, Microsoft. When companies buy into Microsoft Suite, there is simply no reason to look elsewhere, which also explains why Power BI, Microsoft Project, and Azure are among the other top requested skill sets. As far as what languages are being used most frequently, I like to check the TIOBE index, that is TIOBE, to see what the majority of apps and websites are being built with right now. As of today, the top 10 in order are C, Java, Python, C++, C Sharp, Visual Basic, JavaScript, PHP, SQL, and R. They list a top 20 on their website, so feel free to check that out whenever you're feeling curious. That is it for this week's edition of Tech Tuesday. Keep the suggestions coming and have a great week.